Guys, what's up? I'm Murad and today I will tell you how to download Python for Windows 7. So first you go on your any browser, like I have Google Chrome. So open it and write Python python.org this. Then click on welcome to python.org. Click on this and then go on downloads and click on Python 3.7.2 version. So you can see your downloading is now started. So wait 1 minute and so you can see that now my Python is downloaded. This is opening Python, so you can run this. You can install now. And now you can see that my Python is now installing. Too fast. Oh. So you can see that this is installed. You can close this and now we can see that our Python is downloaded. This you can see Python 7.3.7. I'm clicking this. The direct link of Python download will be given in description, so you can easily download this. So thank you guys. Please like this video, comment on my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.